Okay, so whatever you're listening to, baby.
Parang.
What is parang? Hello everyone, welcome to M&MG, Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. We are close to our 100 subscriber goal thanks to many of our viewers who shared our link in various group chats and on their web pages. Thank you very much for your support. Special shout out to Knots and Rick for promoting our page. So what we're going to do now is ask people to start submitting their names if they're interested in winning a t-shirt or a tote bag. So, and then we'll do a draw. So what we would like you to do is go to our Facebook page and leave a message saying that you would like to enter the draw on the Mr. and Mrs. Gold's Facebook account. Or another option is that you can send us an email at goldgonzalez@gmail.com. Leave a message and just let us know that you would like to enter in our competition, and we will definitely send your name into our draw. And please provide an email address and a name that you would like us to use on YouTube so that when we announce the winners and we do our draw. All right, thank you very much. And thanks again for your support. Remember to like and share the video because we're going to have other contests coming up. I'm Mrs. Gold. We hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Now, I'm going to share a Christmas story from Mr. Gold. We're calling it a Vincy Christmas story. He's going to tell a story about how he usually spends Christmas in Saint Vincent if he wasn't in Canada, and how he grew up and so forth. So listen to this special edition of A Christmas Story by Mr. Gold. Okay, so whatever you're listening to, baby.
Parang.
What is parang, you know?
You hear it? Christmas carol. You hear it?
And where is it from?
Saint Vincent, Trinidad. How we run it?
So you guys are the ones that do parang. So parang is the type of music? Honey? Parang.
Jackie and the ginger beer.
Parang is the type of music, or it's just caroling?
Caroling. Parang. Christmas carol. Just so you know.
Just a call? So what is this, like carnival music? So what would you be doing right now? Dancing in the streets of Saint Vincent?
Right now? Right now we are eating.
What are you guys eating?
Going to people house door and at the steps.
What kind of food would you... Anything?
Pork. Anything they have. We now move until we get something to eat. We now move. We have to get something to eat. Christmas time. When we grew up cooking pig.
Pig?
Yeah.
Like a whole pig?
A whole pig.
Wow. So this song is called Shanty from Rose's Crew. We listened to Fireman before.
Same.
Same crew?
Same. Parang walking for every doorstep. You have to give me reggaeton. Give me piece of pork. Give me piece of ham. Me now move until me get something for him.
You were saying something about your grandmother cooking pork.
Kill pig.
Oh, kill a whole pig.
Yeah, we kill a whole pig. And my grandmother not sell, not even a pound not sell. Everything for it.
For Christmas?
For Christmas.
Holy cow, how much family would be over? Enough?
Family. Just a couple of weeks. We send them some give you auntie. And the pork just can. Salt and that. Just can it down. Then we don't have no fridge, you know. Then we don't have no fridge. We don't even know in the fridge. Yeah. Grandmother used to just can down that.
And roast
if we kill a cat, well, we sell some meat. And the rest meat is for the home.
Nice.
Sometimes we get people who are too poor, you know.
In the community.
In the community. You know. But from since like December break, it just party in Saint Vincent. Party non-stop. And before Christmas, like 9 days before Christmas, we have a 9 morning. Like you wake up off your bed and we go to like party, street jump up, just name it. You know, we go to club, everything open, music playing.
My husband's Mr. Gold's neighborhood village.
Yeah, if you want to go wrong the clock, it's up to you. You know, but some people go wrong the clock. But if you go wrong the clock, the 9 days before Christmas,
you'll be exhausted by Christmas.
You mash up.
So what do you guys do in the 9 days? I know you told me something about lighting and putting up lights.
Yes, the community, we go to different community. You know, like we pass to a drive through, you know, and watch light. Sometimes people will get them big house and thing and buy 100 of light.
The little pepper lights that you put on there.
Yeah, look nice. You could take photo, you know. Go in the community them and street them light up. You know, people go make boat out of light, house out of light.
What?
Beautiful. Will pull off
see the boat. Yeah,
victory in this year's Christmas Lights Up competition. He spoke to Astro TV News at Point, which, along with other communities in North Windward, was judged last night.
And we could drive from Camille Stubbs. Nice place, you know.
Yeah.
Nice place, man.
Stubbs Bay, right? Near the water?
Well, in a really Stubbs Bay, you have beach, but the real place at Stubbs Village.
Okay.
You know, nice place. Best place to live in Saint Vincent. Trust me.
Yeah.
I loved it. The people them really you know, but it's nice. I love it. I love it.
So people would decorate.
Them nice. Everything. Food, good food. Not talk about that. Just go there and enjoy yourself. Just make boat out of light.
Oh.
House out of light.
And decorate it.
Yeah, then decorate
in the
light.
streets.
In the street. Like
oh,
up
okay,
in the
gotcha.
In the street.
But they'll use the lights to make
then they put light now on telephone light pole.
7 streets, and there's no doubt in my mind that tonight there is going to be another one. We'll make it 8 in a row.
Beautiful.
And I'm sure all of us who are around and have seen the artwork that is before us, there's no doubt in our mind that Point Massive is going to make it again. Cheers. Happy Christmas.
Some village
and telephone light pole, telephone wire.
And decorate the telephone wires too?
Yeah. Yeah. You know?
Nice.
You know? Nice. You could go in the botanic garden in town.
Botanic gardens.
Yeah, botanic garden. Enough like Saint Vincent nice on Christmas, but I...
Is it tourship? What you gonna do to say the tourship? Yes, you have beautiful, you know. I come and pick up.
You know, everywhere is nice. You know, in Canada here, yesterday, me not see no snow. Christmas Eve, this morning I wake up.
And we see so much snow.
Oh, they're white. So, on Christmas, well, we plant bongo man peas, you know, so we eat lots of green peas Christmas time.
Okay.
So January time, we plant bongo man peas, and it come in for Christmas.
See, that's different.
You know, so we had lots of that.
Nice.
You know, sometimes when we used to do back home, make up a pound of peas and half pound of rice. More peas than rice.
Wow.
You know.
And just steam it?
I eat a list. I'm a Rasta man 5 cents. So me eat. I eat all. You know. Me give me calabash.
What's a calabash?
Calabash, we cut it. It come on a chip, on a bowl of cheese, something round like a ball. And we cut it with a hacksaw blade. And we clean out the inside. And scald it out. And we cover it down in the sun for 2-3 days, we dry out. And we wash it. And then we use it as a bowl.
Okay.
And we use it as a cup.
Okay. I've seen it before, but we have to make our viewers know. And you eat from that.
Yeah. But we not cook from it. That we boil and we cook.
Okay.
And we use a pot. We call it pot. It's a clay pot, make out a dough.
Nice.
And we call it yaba. It's a yaba pot, make out a dough. You know. That way you cook in. You know. If any pagan come around a place and cook, and I cook in that and salt, and I just salt in my pot and I cook and thing. Afterward, my pot drop out, bottom drop out, boop.
Really?
And I cook salt in my pot. Natural it all. Yeah. Expensive too. Can't get it in Saint Vincent, so I buy it at St. Lucia. I get it from Antigua.
Okay.
When I was young and Christmas, we used to go around to people, doorstep, play music. Well, my father used to come from America sometime, bring things. One year my father bring a tape, you know. Fancy bring a tape now. Every Christmas now, we used to get a tape and I play music and just grow in the community from people doorstep and just drink and eat. Drink and eat. Me and my friend them. You know.
You used to get $100 every year, mention that.
Well, every year I used to get $100 from my father.
US, right?
For enjoying myself. Every little
US.
year.
You have to say US.
I used to get $100 from my father. For me enjoying myself. And clothes. I didn't get if you not come, it's in 100 years anyway. And 2 bucks are closed. You know. Me live good back home. One year, one Christmas, my father bring a bike in me.
Nice.
Nice, Huffy. What? You're damn near, no? Nobody know about bike. People poor. When me jump on my bike, you know, the whole community, they be in a run. When me jump on my bike, man, every time I jump on my bike, all my friends, them, they be in a run. I run. What? Nice bike, on man. Then time it was a chrome, Huffy, but he get gold stick on it. And my name gold, you know, so.
Just fit.
Yeah, and then
for Christmas versus going back home in the summer for Carnival in Saint Vincent, why is Christmas nice and sweet that people like to go back during that time?
Leave foreign and go back home in Christmas or for Christmas. Make your foreign cold. Foreign cold.
So it's just because they want
foreign
the heat.
Nice. Back home not nice like foreign. No. Your place here to go more than back home. Canada nice. America nice. Foreign nice. Really nice. But people just want to get out the cold. You know.
And can you tell people how many islands Saint Vincent has?
Saint Vincent have 32 islands.
32 islands. So when someone's visiting, they could go to the main island or any other islands. Do all the islands celebrate Christmas the same, or do they all do their own different things, or from what you know of?
No, it's the same culture.
Same culture, okay.
Yeah.
And I know, sorry, what do you call the native Indians, the Aboriginals from Saint Vincent again?
We call them Carib.
Carib. And they have some of their own cultures too, right?
Them is the founder for the country.
Okay.
Them is the owner for the country.
Yeah.
Just like the native in Canada, it's the same race of people, same looks of people.
Okay.
But
and did they
just call them Caribbean Sylvan. Christmas back in Saint Vincent. It's beautiful, it's nice. When I was a youth growing up, I used to play pan.
Steel pan.
Steel pan. Pan send in a night chain, steel catcher. And after I drink night chain come in, then kind of bash we from we name. So we have to change the name. So we end up on name Code International. But when it's still Pamini night chain, as a youth growing up, we used to go all over Saint Vincent.
The different islands?
No, not island. Mainland.
Okay.
The village. Town. And play.
Which is, what's the name of the capital again? The town?
Kingston.
Okay.
So sometimes we go like Georgetown. We go like Leyu. You know, Barali. Playing music, pan. You know. What? But we never used to get on ratings, really. You know. And we were bad. Bad.
What kind of ratings were you guys looking for?
Like, we all them be the best pan man in Saint Vincent. You know, make care from my uncle them, from right up and thing. Them was good. But we pan side never really get no ratings, make care we from country. So the tongue man them all them give the ratings as the best. One year we go on tongue and thing and play Panorama. And me sure we win that night. And then give it all. You know? So from that night, me say, well, yeah. Then I really great as country people.
What would you like to say to all Saint Vincent listeners? That's personal from you, Mr. Gold.
Well, I love my people then. I love them.
And I wish them Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And right now, this is Armageddon time. So man for be serious. Man for be jet in an entertainment. You know. And sister, you all have to be serious. You know. Hold up your all head and live serious. Because I don't see what go on right now. People they make a thing like Corona. I kill out people. So people, I have to be serious. Know what I do. Love everybody. Love me people them back in Saint Vincent. Love them. My people them, me love you all. Respect. Bless them. Canada, me love you too. Everybody here, me love you. And me love everybody in the world. Wifey, me love you.
Love you too, baby. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you want to tell your family? You never said Merry Christmas, Auntie Grace, everybody. Laverne, Gail.
My family is so big. You can't even name more than But what?
The Prime Minister.
Happy Christmas to you. How I live is in family big. But what? Family, happy Christmas to everybody. So listen.
Ralph Gonzal.
Big up yourself.
Big up.
Large up yourself.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Best Prime Minister in the whole world. Ralph Gonzal. Happy Christmas to you. How I live for see. Many more. And we get older. Live. And they're hard for them. Live. Papa? Well, you don't know. Why I live for see plenty more to one, Papa. Let me talk about Papa. You're going to come in. The old man, the father. Daddy? Oh, I live for see plenty more. I love you.
I love you too.
I love my mom. I want to live for see plenty Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
I love my brother, I love my sisters.
Yes, Merry Christmas, brothers and sisters.
I love my cousin, I love my aunties them. I love my uncle. Happy Christmas. So everybody, Vincy flag was a flyer. I want to say, Vincy, we represent up.
Another deplorable trend of many is to turn Christmas into another carnival, but in December rather than in June, July.
Love how they're treating Christmas like another carnival. Christmas clean, keep the Christmas clean. So come on, you two obscene.
We hope you liked this video and got to know Mr. Gold a little bit better and Saint Vincent. Check out our Merry Christmas video. Bless up and happy holidays. Subscribe Hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos. Share